Hey everyone! As tools like ChatGPT and AI programs become a regular part of how we teach and learn, we need to be clear about how to use them ethically and effectively. In the Master Teacher program, we want to make sure everyone is on the same page. This means that for every assignment you work on, your instructor will specify exactly how much AI assistance is allowed. We use a 5-level system to keep things consistent across the whole program. These levels range from no AI at all to full integration. They're based on recent research in higher education, specifically the work of FERS 2023 and the framework developed by Cabana and Cote 2025. Let's look at what levels 0 through 4 actually mean for your coursework. Level 0 is straightforward. It means no Gen AI use allowed at all. For these assignments, we want to see your independent thinking without any digital shortcuts. You cannot use AI to brainstorm, write, or even check your grammar here. If an instructor sees signs of AI use at this level, it counts as an academic integrity violation and has to be reported to the university. Think of level 0 like a traditional closed book exam. It's reserved for tasks where the goal is to prove you've mastered a specific skill or concept entirely on your own.
So level 1 is what we call preliminary or limited use. You can use the AI to get the gears turning, but the actual work that you're submitting should really be coming from your brain. Think of it as like a study buddy for those very early stages of writing an assignment. You might use it to help you understand a complicated concept, maybe brainstorm a few initial directions for a project, but then from there, it's all you. Here, it's okay to use it for minor language support, like looking for a better word, maybe using it to clarify some sentence structure if English is not your first language. However, you can't use it to write the actual report for you. And even though the AI did not write the paper, you still need to declare that you used it for the prep work.
At level 2, you have a bit more room to use AI as a collaborator during the development phase. Its use is targeted and for a specific purpose. The focus here is on using AI to improve your work rather than creating it. For instance, you might feed your own draft into AI to ask for a critique or to see if your argument is logical. You could use it to help analyze data or to guide you through a complex problem-solving step. The key is that you remain the sole author. You are driving the car, and AI is just the navigation system.
Knight Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man.
And as always, you need to include a declaration of how you use these tools.
Level 3 is where the AI starts to help with the heavy lifting of content creation, but only within a specific frame. At this level, you might use AI to generate a rough draft, summarize a long reading, or create a multimedia component for a presentation. The framed part means you are responsible for the final product. You can't just copy and paste what the AI gives you. You need to edit it, check it for facts, and refine it so it meets the required standards. Because the AI is providing actual content, you must cite it properly and clearly state which parts were AI generated.
Level 4 is full authorization. You have the green light to use Gen AI throughout the entire process, from the first brainstorm to the final polish. You can use it for research, drafting, coding, or creating visuals without any specific restrictions on the amount of AI involved. However, freedom comes with responsibility. You are still 100% accountable for the quality and accuracy of your work. If the AI hallucinates a fact or misses a professional standard, that's on you. Even at this level, transparency is non-negotiable. You must disclose that AI was a primary tool in your process. That covers the 5 levels, from 0 use to full integration. We use this system because it gives instructors the flexibility to teach different skills while making sure you know exactly what the expectations are. Remember, no level is better than another. Level 0 is just as important for learning as level 4. It all depends on the goals of the assignment. If you need more details on these levels or help citing AI in APA format, check out the UdeS AI Toolbox. To give you a real-world example, in fact, this video was made using level 3 usage. We used AI to help organize our initial thoughts, then we took those ideas and spent time refining and editing them into the script you're hearing now. Anyway, thanks for watching. and for approaching these new tools with care.